Hi everyone. Um, I read a lot of comments and where many people want analysis. How do I do analysis? Analyze for us, analyze for us. Yeah, I can do analysis. I can surely do that. But the issue with traders, most traders, is that they always want to have information given to them free. And then we live in a generation where we have free information everywhere on the internet, on the YouTube, and it's amazing. But uh, those informations are very, very, very powerful information. Free. But if you want to really speed up the rate at which you enjoy the best information, the fact that you have to learn how to filter the information. You learn how to filter the information and know which one is good. Filter the information, which information is good. Let's say you have 100 information free on the internet. Now, you consume all these 100, it might give you overload, it might give you confusion. But when you are able to know how to filter it out of the 100, you might just need only 10. Good for you. How do you filter? You cannot filter it until you are able to have someone who guides you, who has been able to use it. That's why we mentors. I understand different mentors. Many people don't want a mentor. You know, that's why you need mentors. That's why you have someone who has also worked on so much information and has filtered it and narrowed it down. This is one that's important. So now, how about filter this information? But for me, I I watch a lot, and at the same time, I pay a lot. I've said it several times. I pay for a particular mentor 4 times. It is cost 4 times to be able to understand what the person is teaching because I noticed what this guy teaching is amazing. And the first class I didn't understand. The second class I think that I felt I needed to know more. Of course, I have always said it, and there's a quote that says repetition. Repetition is the law of lasting impression. Okay? Whatever you repeat, you do it over and over, you learn it over and over, you pay attention to it, you pay attention to it over and over, you eventually master it. So that's my case. So here, I do my analysis on a weekly chart. Okay, we start from monthly. So in my analysis, I look for my direction. That's the first. And direction means I'm looking for where the money is coming from. Okay, let you know where the market is now based on the chart. And I look at where the market is going. Okay, in my class, I've already explained the difference between um, um, direction and trend. There's a difference between direction and trend, and many people don't know, or candlestick teaches us. Okay. So now direction, I already know market is going to around the area. Okay. So what am I doing? I've seen direction is coming here, going down, going down, going down. So we're already on the weekly, monthly already checked it. So let's go to our daily. Now this is the daily. The daily. In this daily, what do I see? What do I see daily? I have a level that I've already marked. Candle reacted at this area. Candle react. There's also another level. There's also another level. Now, in a scenario like this, I try to avoid the market where it's two levels because the market can get to this area, okay, and top. Okay. Now, these levels in the market also are very important. Sometimes people draw levels at the close of the market, close of the candle. Is it wrong? It's not wrong. So that means there's a level at the neck and also a level. but I always love to use it because if you change the direction or you change the time frame of the candle, you are going to see that whatever you are seeing here as weights, they are all bodies. But I'm trying to show you something. Now, this trade of this candle that I'm doing here now, I'm going to be selling. Why am I selling? Number one, I'm seeing the direction down. Number two, the weekly is going down. Number three, there's a level here. Then the previous this candle making a new high from here. New high is going up, new high is going up. Okay. New high, new high. Then this candle will be, because I already know my overall direction is down. So I'm going to be looking for opportunity to sell what I couldn't have sold, saying that the market kept making new high. Couldn't have sold. I have to wait until the buyer's trend here has changed from bullish to bearish. And how do I know that? A new high. That new high of 4 at it. There's a lot of mention. So here now, at the close of this candle yesterday, I already knew market sell. I didn't take this trade at all, but I'm using it to do analysis for it. So at the close of this candle, I knew the market is going to sell. I missed the sell really. Okay, so now you look for opportunity to enter the market. How do you enter the market from here? Now with candlesticks, I already said several times, we don't do pending orders. We don't do pending orders. No, we don't. Because we need to wait for candle to close. If you put a pending order somewhere, the candle can just get to that area without even respecting it and blow it and pass. So that's how we don't do pending orders. And we also need to understand there are certain characteristics of candlestick we need to see at a level that shows and gives us our entry. There are certain candles. So if we don't see that type of candle that fulfill that condition, don't sell. Now here now we have candle closing. So if we go to a lower time frame, first and foremost we go to find our what is it called? Our point of interest. So we go to like 1 hour. So our 1 hour is going to give us an idea of our point of interest. So where are we? I I was looking for the period so that we know where the market closed. So here we have a daily candle that closed here. Uh, where is a candle? Yeah, yeah, candle closed. Candlestick, you have to make sure that the candle, any candle you are doing, you have to make sure it's before you then that's close. Okay. So we have a candle. We go into a period, you can see it very, very well. Okay. So let's go to look for our point of interest. So this is the close of our candle. This is a period. This line is a period. So the candle of yesterday here, this candle closed there. So okay. So we started from here. So we have market coming from. Now, how do we enter the market? So we look at this market and see. So where are we seeing as levels? This is a level. Okay, the level. So we're expecting the market, and of course, market is actually full. So there are some candles you see, and you have to look at them and be very careful type of entry you go for. So let's go to our 2 minutes and see where we will have actually entered the market. Okay. Nice. You see where the market closed. So where are we going to enter the market? Which candle? Just like what I say, that they you don't just jump into the market. The market candle give you a particular candle to enter. Now, amongst all these candles now, which one is the candle that I'm going to enter from? Absolutely this candle. Because if you look at all the candles from here, touch the level here. They kept making new highs and new highs. This is the candle that couldn't make a new high. Let me make it bigger so that you see, giving you a kind of an idea. Many people are looking for free things, so take it, take it. But there are other factors. So this is the candle, this candle. So at the close of this candle, we enter the market. So we enter the market from here. The market will enter from here. Our stop loss is here. And you see, just went and continued. This is how we do analysis. I said it's very interesting. So let's see what we would have made. Let's put our Fibonacci there. So we enter from here. Our stop loss is here. Enter from here. Good. Then let's go to a bigger time frame and know what we have made. See, already we made reach to the wall. Like I said, I explained that reach to the wall 10. 10 is already reached. This is 5. So we already reached 10. So let's see how many what we're expecting that we can see go. So let's go to a higher time frame. Okay. So you can see the level we have drawn. Then also see another level. See another level. The level. So at this point, 10 is good. So you can watch the way the candle behave here, whether it now go to your 10. Because we have major level here, 10, then we have 20. So, but you have seen how we enter from here. So this is what candlestick does. I want you to learn this. See, I want you to learn. This is very, very interesting. It took me years. All this thing I'm saying, and like I said, given the opportunity for now, the promo is still on tomorrow. Okay, I don't know when you are watching it from. I don't know. Today is I think 18th. Okay, ends 19th. Okay, so this is candlestick. This is very powerful. I enjoy it myself. Anytime I'm doing analysis is very sweet, very interesting. Okay, So don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. So we already made reach to reward 1 to 10. Is it not enough? Is enough. Take the market and get out. Or you wait for 15 because you still have a level here, have another level here. Now let's look at it on a daily, because before I even go down, remember I tell you that the knowledge of candlestick will give you, number one, will give you your direction. Number two, it will give you your target. Where are you expecting to take a target from? Where do you want to reach? Number two, your entry. These three things are very key. And I said to you, if you are a novice, you learn all of these three. If you are a professional, it can improve your direction. Because many people, that's why I don't trade with, when you turn your charts into maybe 4 hours, and you draw your levels and levels, the market can turn. It works, but the market can turn. Okay? Sometimes many people, they don't know where to take profits. You can improve it with candlestick. Sometimes many people don't have good entry. They say, they enter the market will go against them, and the market makers, they take stop loss hunting, and it now begins to go in the direction where the stop loss is out. The reason is because you don't know where you are supposed to enter. So either you learn to improve your direction or your target or your entry. That's what you do in candlestick trade. Okay, so don't miss it. Take advantage of it now. I am saying it, and I'm saying it with all confidence. Take advantage of it now. Or you call and get back and say, oh, I think this guy is saying something, because very soon I'm going to do a challenge 100 to be with candlestick. By the time we do this, people are going to say, oh, so this thing works, and it's, I want to learn, and I'm giving them one exorbitant price. I know, do it like it. I'll give you the opportunity. Yeah, I'm excited. Jump on it. So you see the way the candle is forming here now. This is 1 hour candlestick forming here. So I'm already seeing that the candle has not really shown the reason for turning from this area. So chances are that it's going to come to here and because 15, then we have our 20 here. Then let's go to our daily, where we actually started from our daily. That our daily. So our daily is really giving us that, okay, our daily. That's one, and one, and one. So, but the moment we get to 15, we are good to go. We can stop. Now we have made 10, so we can at the same time stop. So thank you, everyone. God bless you, and thanks for watching. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, make your comment, and at the same time, let's know. Bring in people. Introduce, like, share it. Ask your question, share it. Okay. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.